Hello everyone, welcome to all my dear students. Hope you are all doing well. So today I am going to discuss very beautiful problem, okay, which is based on shear stress. So watch this problem carefully and understand this problem carefully, because so many students did a lot of silly mistake in this type of problems. Okay, so this is a beautiful concept. Okay students, so first of all I am going to read this problem. Watch here carefully. A steel plate weighing 27 kilonewton. Watch the problems, read the problems carefully. In GATE exam, in every competitive exam, first you have to read the problem carefully, calmly, patientfully. Okay, so a steel plate weighing 27 kilonewton is hoisted by a cable sling. Okay, this is a steel plate whose weight is 27 kilonewton. Okay, and it is hoisted by a cable sling. It is hoisted by these are the cables, and it is hoisted by this, like this, and this is a steel plate, like this it is hoisted. Okay, that has a clevice. These red one are the clevices. Okay, these are the clevices at each end. The pins through the clevices are 22 mm in diameter. The pins through the clevices are 22 mm in diameter. So these are the pins. See here, these are the pins. Okay, so the arrangement is like that. The arrangement is like that, and between this a plate is there, and this is our pin. This is our pin. The plate is in a center position. The pin is like that, and this clevice hold like that. Okay. So this clevice in the opposite side also. This is the clevice. This red clevice are opposite side also on the plate. Okay. So clevice is like that, and between the clevice our plate is there, like plate is there, and one pin is here. Pin is like that. Okay, so pin is, this blue one is our pin, this is our pin. So this steel plate is hoisted by a cable sling like that, and this is making an angle with the vertical is 35 degree. So each half of the cable sling is at an angle of 35 degree to the vertical. Okay, so each half of the cable sling is making an angle of 35 degree with the vertical. So determine the average shear stress in the each pin is. Average shear stress he is asking regarding average shear stress. So what is the shear stress? Average shear stress formula. Average shear stress formula is load by area. So here load is our tension, so tension by area. Average shear stress is load by area. Okay students, you know very well what is average shear stress. I have discussed in my previous videos that what is the shear stress in detail. For giving an example of bolt, nut and bolts example were there. So you can watch that videos. So you can understand what is the shear stress, what is the average shear stress, why we are going to find the average shear stress in the strength of materials. Why we are going to find the average normal stress in the strength of materials. These explanations were there, okay, in detailed manner. So we have to find average shear stress in each pins. Did you understand the problem? Okay students, these are the options. So first of all, what is given data? Weight is given as 27 kilonewton is the weight. And what is the diameter of pin? That is 22 mm. Okay. And what is theta? Theta is 35 degree. Okay students, so we can find the area of pin, area. So pin is in circular cross section, so what will be the area? Pi by 4 dp square. Okay students, so pi by 4 multiply by 22 ka square. So area will be, we can calculate from here what will be our area. Square. So our area will be 380 mm to the power square. Sorry. Okay, this is our area of the pin. Okay, Now this is our area. Now we have to find the tension in the cable sling. If we will find the tension in the cable sling, that will be axial load, so that will be our force by area is our shear stress. Okay, so we have to find the tension in the cable sling. So we will draw the free body diagram of this. So this is our cable sling. Okay, and this is our angle with the vertical, that is 35 degree, and the weight of this plate is capital W. Okay, so it will be distributed equally, W by 2 and W by 2. The weight will be distributed equally because symmetry will be there. This is the symmetrical section. Okay, symmetry is there, so total weight of the steel plate is capital W, so it will be distributed on both the clevises in half position, half manner. So W by 2 is distributed on both the clevises. Okay, so this is W by 2. This, see the free body diagram, this is free body diagram, and this is our tension in the cable sling. So if we'll apply the sigma vertical forces is equals to 0. This is the static equilibrium equation because the member is in equilibrium condition. So we can apply the equation here, that is vertical forces summation 0, horizontal forces summation 0, and moment summation 0. We can apply here. Okay, because this member is in static equilibrium condition. So we will apply this equation here. Summation of vertical forces is equals to 0. So we will get from the free body diagram T cos 35 is equals to W by 2. And we have to find tension from here. T is equals to what will be there, W by 2 divided by cos 35 degree. So what will be our tension we can find, and W is our 27. This is 27 divided by 2 cos 35 degree. So what will be there, so tension is 16.48 kilonewton. So our tension is 16.48 kilonewton. Okay students, this is our tension in the cable sling. This is our tension in the cable sling. So tension will be there, so we can find the average shear stress in the pins. Not a big deal. Okay, so here you have to remember one very beautiful concept. That's why I have discussing this problem. So one beautiful concept is here. What is that? Listen carefully. Watch this video carefully. This is very important concept. Okay, see, we have to find average shear stress. What is average shear stress? T by A, load by area. Okay, but so many students have applied this formula in this concept, and they will get definitely one option, and that will be wrong option. Why? See here, this pin is in double shear. This pin is in double shear. Are you getting my point, students? This pin is in double shear. This is the pin, and between the pin, this plate is there. Okay, so from here also the pin is in shear, and from here also the pin is in shear. Here also pin is in shear, here also pin is in shear. So pin is in double shear. Pin is in shearing from both the sides. Got it? This is our clevis. And here also the pin is in shearing condition. Here also the pin is in shearing condition. So pin should be in double shear. So we have to take twice. We have to take area of the pin here also. We have to take area of the pin here also. So we have to take area should be in twice. So the formula should be this. If pin should be in single shear, so we will be going to apply T by A only. Okay, but in this case the pin is in double shear, so we have to apply T by 2A. And what is the T? T is 16.48 kilonewton divided by 2 multiply by what is area? Area over there 380. Now we will solve this with the help of calculator. So we will get average shear stress. How much will be the average shear stress in this case? 16.48 divided by okay, kilonewton. So we can convert here Newton. So we are getting here 21 point something, 21.7 megapascal. So they were asking approximately, that is 22 megapascal is the answer. Okay students, A option is the answer. Got it? So I hope you understand this problem. Very beautiful concept, very beautiful. Silly mistake will be there in GATE exam. Lot of silly mistake will be there. Okay, so these are the silly mistake due to lack of basic knowledge, lack of basic concepts. So your basic should be very strong if you are going to appear in GATE exam, students. GATE is a basic oriented exam and your foundation should be very strong. I hope you understand this problem. Okay students, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share videos. Okay, and give your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.